Stories Chat, and we begin with your favorite topic, Richard. Some new video has surfaced of an unidentified flying object, and it's quite a bit different from the images that we've seen in the past.
It is, Erica. I'm going to show it to you. It actually comes from journalist Jeremy Corbell, who we've had here on City News before. He has a great track record for releasing these videos that have later been authenticated by the U.S. Pentagon. And here again is something that was shot not by someone in their backyard, but by the U.S. military. Look at that, Erica.
Interesting.
He's calling this the Jellyfish UFO, and you can see why it kind of has that resemblance. This was shot at a U.S. joint operations base in Iraq in 2018. The footage was taken by a thermal camera, so it's not clear whether or not this object would have been visible to the untrained, unaided human eye or not. According to Corbell, the object is officially designated as an unknown aerial phenomenon by the U.S. Pentagon. The object, he says, moved through a sensitive military installation before moving over water, where it began what Corbell says was a controlled descent into the water. It emerged 17 minutes later, took off at a high rate of speed. And like other UFOs we've seen, Erica, there's no obvious source of propulsion here. And unfortunately, again, there's more questions than answers. But that kind of looked kind of different than the ones we've seen before, right?
It does. It's kind of unsettling the way it's moving around there. It's really interesting.
Yeah, but again, it has the same sort of traits whereby it's, U.S. military. There seems to be this connection to military and to water as well. So it's something we'll continue to follow. You know that much.
All right. Governments around the world continue to phase out single-use plastics, but many people still use those plastic